Hey people, it's Smiley Gaming here, and today we're gonna do some fun stuff today I'm playing with this funny putty called Flirt. Noisy putty. It makes fart noises. See, like, ugh. See, it makes noises like that. And it's very, very funny. One of my classmates in school recommended me to get this thing. It's super weird and it feels cool. Here, I'll show you up close. If you guys were here right now in my home, you'd feel this thing. It makes the funny noises. And if you want to get your kids this or whatever, your girlfriend, or just a prank for April Fools, then go ahead. I mean, you can do anything in life except for robbing a bank and crap, you know. But, you know, yeah, it kind of sounds like I'm farting right now, so. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this a big, huge thumbs up and smash the like button. And anyway, guys, have a smiley day, and also Smiley Universe. I hope I get subscriptions. Subscribers. Okay, bye. And also, if you want to get this, go to the dollar store and get this thing right now. You'll have tons of fun with it. It helps you relax, and it helps you have fun. Okay, and it makes you smile, like this guy right here. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more fun stuff. See ya.